Attorney Seaver made it clear to us that we were going to try to cooperate with DCF and that we needed to be polite to them and courteous and accommodating within reason, and to trust that Attorney Seaver was going to handle all of the legal side of things. But in the meantime, what we can do is just answer their questions, within reason, be polite and kind to them, and really trusting that Attorney Seaver was going to handle the rest. So Attorney Seaver was completely represented us in the way that ultimately we didn't have to interact with DCF once the initial investigation started. He was constantly emailing, calling, making sure everything was moving forward, that this was going to be closed out and unsupported based on the investigation, made sure all of the evidence was there, made sure all the facts were there, really clarified what the report said, because I didn't know what questions to ask, and the fact that he was able to push them on those things was really important. What Attorney Seaver really helped us do was really get our story across, but he helped really guide us in the best way to do that, to make sure that the facts are out there, that they knew the story, they knew the facts, and they weren't going to try and twist our words anyway to suit them. He really helped kind of guide us in that sense. So we were able to tell them our story and make sure they understood. We didn't know how long this was going to last, how long we were going to have to be paying for a lawyer or support. And so the fact that Attorney Seaver had a flat fee, I didn't know much about how most attorneys get paid. We paid up front, just that flat rate, and never had to worry about getting another bill in the mail or email or anything. We knew exactly what it was going to cost right off the bat, and it was reasonable. Attorney Seaver then again was available on nights and weekends, was constantly emailing and reaching out to DCF on our behalf, checking in with us, sending support to be with us. We had to bring the children to be seen at the hospital, so I had someone there with me all day and was my support and contact with Attorney Seaver that whole time. All of that was just part of this, was great, because we never had to worry about then what is this going to cost.